Hey everybody, it's Captain Steelpants. Today we're going to work on episode 7 of our HUD and camera movement series, and we're going to do some animated text so you can show on your screen if you're executing a certain command or something like that. And let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our main HUD again. We're going to bring in another text box. We'll put that over here. Let's change that text to blue. We'll set the text size to 30 to match the other ones that we did. We're going to go ahead and set a binding for that. Create binding. Then we come over here. Now that we're on our graph, we're going to create a variable, call it text box 3. We're going to drag that in. We're going to hit get text box 3, attach that to the return node, go back to our designer. We're going to highlight the text box 3 here in the hierarchy, and we're going to hit add animation. We'll just call it text box 3 anim. Now with that highlighted, we're going to come back over here in the details panel, come down here to color opacity. We're going to single left click on this icon by the A, and that's going to add a keyframe in down here in the timeline. We're going to drag this bar to 3/4 of a second. We're going to change the alpha to 0 and add another keyframe. Then we're going to drag it down to 1.5 seconds, add a keyframe, change that to the alpha level to 1. Now you can see if you slide the fader, the text fades in and out. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and remove this text, because we're going to add the text in from the level blueprint. We're going to go back to the graph, go to the event graph. We're going to create a custom event. We're going to call this toggle text box 3 anim. And we're going to come off of that. We're going to do a play animation and a stop animation. We're going to create a flip-flop. We're going to take our custom event into the flip-flop, come off the A into the play, off the B into the stop. Then we're going to come over here in the blueprint section under animations and drag this animation that we made, hit get, connect that to the in animation of the start of the play and the stop. We're going to compile that, and that should take care of what we need to do in the HUD blueprint. Now we're going to go back to the main blueprint. We're going to bind a keyboard. Keyboard R will do. We're going to create a flip-flop. We're going to get the text box 3 text variable. We're going to do a set. We're going to Control C and copy that, and then Control V and paste it. Then with a key press, we're going to have it set the text. This command has been executed. The second one we're going to leave blank because we want to clear it out when we hit the key a second time. Then we're going to call our custom event that we made, which was toggle text box 3 animation. Since it's a toggle, it's going to do it each time. Then we're going to copy this HUD variable. Remember from our owl HUD, copy paste, plug that into the target so it knows where to find these events and variables. Compile that, and then we'll go ahead and bring up our OBS preview. We'll start our level. We should be able to run our little cinematic camera movement there. There's our T key, our A key, and our R key. So it didn't stay playing, so what we want to do is just go back into the graph. Let's tell it number of loops to play 100. Let's go to the designer and move this over because it was a little bit off screen. Compile that, save that. And there's our static text. T key, static text A key. Now there's our flashing text to show that command has been executed. And if we hit it again, R, it should stop and the text should go away. And then we have it. And our camera's tracking nicely, so. Well done. All right, that'll be it for this video. On the next video, I'm going to do a camera transition using a HUD fade in and out. So I'll see you next time. Bye.